This is gonna be damn tasty. What is up YouTube? This is Prashant here, and once again welcome back to my channel, Food and Travel. Today, after such a long time, I'm gonna upload another recipe video. This is one of the most requested video, but I'm really sorry that I couldn't upload any recipe video, but finally here it is. This is one of the most requested video by one of my subscribers, so this is for you, buddy. So finally today we are going to cook pork with fermented soybean. So first let's go and check out all the ingredients that is required for cooking this dish. Then I'll show you the process for cooking this. So let's go now. So here we have the ingredients: 1 kilo of pork, few cloves of garlic, 1 piece of onion, 1 small piece of ginger, 2 pieces of tomato, and a few leaves of coriander to garnish. So now, as we have all these ingredients, let's go and start cooking. So at first, let's turn on the gas and heat up the pressure cooker. Once the pan get heat up or the pressure cooker get heat up, now it's time to add the pork. So here I'm adding the pork. Now let's saute the pork for a few minutes, and once it started releasing oil, then we're gonna add all the other spices. So here, as you can see, that the meat started releasing some oil. So now it's time to add the spices. Don't cook this for a very long period, because like if you cook this for a very long period, then the meat will start to squeeze, and that way the meat won't be tasty. So cook it for 5 to 10 minutes, that's more than enough. After that, you can add all the other spices. So at first I'm going to put the ginger, garlic, now I'm going to add the onion, now we're going to cook this. I've cooked this for something around 2 to 3 minutes. So now it's time to add the tomato. I'm going to add the tomato now. Again, give a good stir. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and 1 tablespoon of cumin powder. After adding all the spices, saute this for a few minutes, but one thing you need to remember here, that you should never add the turmeric at this time, because if you add the turmeric, the meat will start to burn from below. So never add the turmeric. First we need to whistle the meat, after that we're going to add the turmeric. Here I'm going to add 1 glass of water. Just 1 glass, not more than that. So here I'm going to add the dry fermented soybean. Right now I don't have any fresh fermented soybean, so I got the dry one. This is a dry one. So I'm going to add the dry fermented soybean. Again, give a good stir. I'm going to add some potato right now. It's optional, by the way. If you guys love potato, you can add. If you don't like it, just leave this part. Again, give a good stir. Here you can see that all the gravy get dry out. So now I'm going to add some more water in this, and then I'm going to make this whistle for 3 times. This is going to be the 3rd whistle. Whew. Check this out, man. Yeah, the potato is cooked. So it's obvious that the meat will be cooked, because we cook the meat 20 to, I'm not sure, 15 to 20 minutes before adding the potato. So now, as the potato is cooked, so the meat is cooked now. But let's test one piece. It's better to make sure. believe me, the taste is gonna be quite different from the way like we usually used to have pork. This taste is quite different. So here I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. After adding turmeric powder, I'm gonna give a good stir. I'm going to make this boil for another 5 to 10 minutes. Once the gravy started drying, then I'm going to turn off the gas and I'm going to garnish this with some coriander leaves. So let's make it boil for 5 to 10 minutes. Now the gravy is almost dry. So now it's done. If you want to make it more dry, then you can make it boil for another like 5 minutes. But for me, I think this is done. Yeah. The gravy is quite thick now, so it's done. I'm going to turn off the gas now and let it cool down for another 5 minutes. So once it cools down, then I'm going to garnish this with some coriander leaves. If you like this video, then don't forget to give a like to this video and do subscribe to my channel for more amazing video reviews. Thank you very much. So here we have the pork. I'm going to garnish this with some coriander leaves. Here it is. This is gonna be damn tasty. So yeah, it's done.